Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up easy mode or assistive access on your iPhone 16e. So the first thing you're going to do is open up settings, then scroll down to accessibility, click on the accessibility tab, and then scroll all the way down until you find assistive access. So go to the assistive access tab, and then we're going to start setting up assistive access by clicking on the set up assistive access button. Now it's just going to take you through the setup, and you should follow all of the settings that it's showing you. So add all of the apps, then just some other stuff, create a password, and once you're done with the setup, you can click on start using assistive access, enter the passcode that you just entered recently, and wait for the assistive access to turn on. So there we go, now I'm in the assistive access mode or the easy mode, and you have all of these enlarged icons which you can enter to access all the apps. And to exit out of the assistive access mode, you just need to press the power button on the side of your phone 3 times. So there we go, once you click the button 3 times, you have the exit assistive access button. Just click on that and then enter the password that you've used before. And that's going to exit the assistive access setting. So there you go, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.